Hey guys, I'm Brittney Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be trying the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappuccino. I know I'm a little late, but I went to Ulta for the first time in a few years, like at least 4 or 5, and I was shook by all the brands, honestly. But I've been wanting to try this, and like I said, this is the color Cappuccino. It says it's full coverage. I do have it on right now, but keep watching to see what I think of this foundation. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I know I'm late, but today I'll be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappuccino. I usually color correct under my eyes, but when I'm trying a new foundation, I want to see how the foundation actually works. So I won't be color correcting today, but I'll be applying it using my sponge. So let's get started. Oh wait, that's my concealer right there. But how many pumps did I do? Like 2.5. Let's see if this is enough. This doesn't look like a lot, but oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry you guys. I forgot to put on my primer. I'm using e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I got so excited. I'm sorry, you guys. Sorry. Okay, so back to my foundation. This is definitely the right color, like, but this is my right color. Really, not a lot of product comes out when you pump. So, oops. Probably gonna have to use a little more. I feel like I still should have possibly color corrected under my eyes. This is a little, this looks a little red. In the mirror, it looks a little red. I don't know, but you all see. I want to see this in like my bathroom lighting, but I like it right now. I do like it. But foundation always looks weird without concealer, you know? I look like, I look very red right now. Okay, so far, I like the way the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappuccino goes on. I need to blend it more right here. I mean, I really did not need to color correct under my eyes, so I feel like it is full coverage. Maybe that's not what I'm not used to full coverage. Seeing a few spots I want to touch up a little bit. But so far, so good. I want to see how it looks in other lightings and after I finish my makeup, so I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, you all, so I'm going to set my face using the NYX Dewy Finish. I just bought this at Ulta yesterday with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So I just want to show you all how it looks in my bathroom. It is really pretty. I love this foundation, wow. This is definitely my new go-to. It looks gorgeous. Okay guys, so I really love this foundation. I was kind of iffy putting it on, but I don't think I'm used to a full coverage like this. Like, I've been wearing Maybelline Fit Me forever, like for a long time. And I love it, but I like this. I love the way, like, it looks so pretty. Like, I know sometimes the lighting changes from my camera to YouTube, but this looks good. I love it. Like, it really is full coverage. Like, I love it. Like, this is some good foundation. And I don't even know how much I paid, but it's on the website, of course. But I just, as soon as I saw it, I just picked it up. I'm so sorry, you guys. But I'll look that up for you guys and put it in the description box. Like I said, this is the color Cappuccino, and it is bomb. I think you should definitely try it. It's inexpensive, I know that much. But this is really good. I love it. I think this is my new daily foundation. Like, this is good foundation. Wow. I'm like really shook. But thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, you guys.